Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the digital world to make your online journey smoother and more fun. If you've ever wondered how to find your friends on Snapchat using just the phone number, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through a super simple process to just do that. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Snapchat installed on your device. Now open your Snapchat and look for your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, scroll down when you go to the settings, then tap on contact me. Here you'll need to choose friends and contacts, and you also need to make sure your phone number is correctly entered and verified. This step is crucial for finding others and letting others find you by phone number. Now head back to your Snapchat main screen and swipe down or tap on the search icon at the top. Here you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply start typing the phone number of the friend you're trying to find. And voila, if your friend has the phone number linked to your Snapchat and has allowed others to find them using the phone number, the account should pop up right here. And there you have it folks, a quick and easy guide to finding your friends on Snapchat using the phone numbers.